Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add transitions to videos. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Movavi Video Suite. Visit the official site of Movavi and download the latest version of the application. Install and launch the application on your PC. Then you will find a window as displaying on screen. Choose the Edit Video module by clicking on it. It takes you to the editing interface. Click on the Add Files option. A small window will pop up. Using that window, choose the video clips to import. Later, add the video clips to the timeline. Now, go to Transitions section by clicking on the option available in the left menu. There you will find a lot of transitions. Drag and drop the transition in between the clips to add transition. Double-click on the added transition to open the Transition Properties panel. From there you can modify the transition. Number 2. Adobe Premiere Pro. Visit the official site of Adobe and download the latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro. Install and launch the application. Click on the New Project option. Choose the videos to import and later click on Create. Then the clips are added to the timeline. Click on the Effects option. Then it shows various options. Click on the Video Transitions option. From there you can choose the transitions. Drag and drop the transition onto the timeline clips. Double-click on the transition to open the Properties panel. From there you can modify the transition. Number 3. iMovie. Launch the iMovie application on your Mac. Click on Import Media option. A window will pop up. Browse through that window and import media. Drag and drop the clips onto the timeline. Now move to the Transitions section by clicking on the option available in the top menu. Then it shows all the available transitions. To add transition, just drag and drop the transition onto the clips. Click on the added transition to modify it. Number 4. Camtasia. Purchase and download the latest version of Camtasia to your PC. Later, install and launch the application. Click on New Project option. Click on Import Media option and import the media. Later, add the imported clips onto the timeline. Move to the Transition section by clicking on the option available in the left menu. There you will find a lot of transitions. Drag and drop the transitions onto the clips to add. Click on the added transition to modify it. Number 5. Filmora. Visit the official site of Filmora and download the latest version of application. Install and launch the application. On the Startup page, click on New Project, and it will take you to the editing workspace. Click on the Import option. A window will pop up. Using that window, import the media files. After importing, add them to the timeline. Move to the Transition section. There you will find all the available transitions. Drag and drop the transition onto the video to add it. If you find a red color line above your timeline, it is the indication of unrendered portion. Just hit Enter to render the portion. Double-click on the added transition to modify the transition. Later, click on OK to confirm the modifications. Number 6. Final Cut Pro. Download and install the latest version of Final Cut Pro from the official site. Launch the application and import the media files. Click on the Transitions option. You can also open the Transitions panel using the keyboard shortcut Shift plus Command plus 5. There you will find a lot of transitions. Drag and drop the transitions onto the clips to add the transitions. Click on the added transition to modify it. Number 7, DemoCreator. Visit the official site of DemoCreator and download the latest version of application. Install and launch the application on your computer. Click on Edit Video module. Then you are redirected to the editing workspace. Click on the plus icon. A window will pop up. Choose the media to import. After importing the clips, add them to the timeline. Later, move to the transitions section by clicking on it. There you will find a lot of transitions. Drag and drop the transition onto the clips to add. Number 8, Clipchamp. Visit the official site of Clipchamp and click on Log In. Then it shows various options to log in. Log in using the one among them. Later, click on Create a Video option. It takes you to the editing interface. Click on the plus icon available on the left menu, and import the video files from there. Add the clips to the timeline. Now scroll down the menu available in the left side. There you will find the transition option. Click on it to find all the available transitions. Drag and drop the selected transition to the clips. Number 9, Vade. Visit the official site of Vade and click on the Upload Your Video option. Then it asks you to import the media. Click on Upload a File option and import the media files. Later, click on Transitions option available on the left. There you will find some transitions. Drag and drop the selected transition onto the clips to apply the transition. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.